welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to review this Sony speaker. This is the Sony XB100. So friends, before we review it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. This is the Sony XB100 wireless speaker. You can even connect to Bluetooth. So friends, before we know about its specification, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Here, first of all, if you want to know about including the product, then wireless speaker, USB Type-C cable, reference guide, you can check from here. MRP here is the 5,990, but through online you can get at low price. Okay, example like under 3,000. So now let's unbox this speaker. And friends, it's when I ordered this speaker, it's open box delivery. So I just opened this speaker. Okay, open box delivery time. So here's the my speaker. Let's check it out. As it says, it's and with the manual guides it's given here. So friends, first of all, I'm going to check out this what it's given right here. Then here's the valid only in India, product number and product, etc. Okay, and this is the manual guides. So if you don't know how to connect, then you can check through here how to connect. Okay, throughout this manual guide you can turn on and off, you can charge like this. I'll teach you right now, and I will teach you how to even connect this wireless speaker. Okay, this is the cable wire. Here's the our speaker. The color I have ordered here is the page orange. Okay, you can see, and it's look very amazing. Here's the branded name Sony. When I touch it, it feels very comfortable. I just like this type of speaker. And here's the handler, and through this you can watch it out. This is the power on, and here's the to connect, to pair Bluetooth, and here incoming call, mic, then here's the minus and plus volume. This is the charge option, this is the S to pair, and here's the mic. Okay, through this you can do. And from the back side, it's name of the branded. Okay, it looks very amazing, the design, I just love it. Okay friends, so now let's know about its specification of this speaker. This speaker support even compact waterproof, and it's 16 hours bat. It can bat 16 hours extra bass built-in mic. The weight under this speaker you will get 7.6 centimeter, and height is the height you will get 9.5 centimeter, and the depth you will get 7.6 centimeter under this speaker. This speaker is powerless performance. The Sony XB100, which you can connect through Bluetooth, it's wireless and it's powerful audio companion. It's very immersive sound experience. You can hear it right now when I will connect it. Okay friends, and about this size and dimension I have told you already. And let's connect right now this speaker. After connect, then we will check it out how this sound it's work. Okay, so friends, here's the mobile phone, and I'm going to connect right now the speaker. And to turn on the speaker you have to just press this power button to turn on it. Okay, and it's turned on, and right now you can connect through Bluetooth. First of all, turn on the Bluetooth of your mobile phone. Just turn on the Bluetooth, and then here's the pair new device. After you select on pair new device, you have to check it out under your cell phone. Okay, this device is Sony XB100, so you have to check it out under your Bluetooth. It seems that it's not showing. You can refresh this one, or you can just turn on your, here's, you just turn on your this Bluetooth, then click on connect, tap on done. After you click on done, here it's pairing. Okay, and it's paired right now, device connected. So friends, as you can hear all the sound, it's perfect, and the audio of this speaker quality, it's very amazing. And friends, now let's drive to this clear of the sound of this speaker. at low volume. Okay, that was the medium volume, and now we are going to try it out through the low volume of this. We're just going to try out the bass of this speaker. Okay, the tunes of the speaker, how under the low volumes. Sound is not much good. Okay, it's clear, crystal and clear. You can even hear the perfect sound and you will feel happy, but the sound it's not loud as I expect. Okay, I expect it out. This Sony XB100, it has durable constructions of the resistance to water, dust, even the elements. It's great to not worrying about the damage. Okay, it's very strong. If it fall once, then it will not break. Okay, that's why no need to worry about the damaging and about the resistance of the water and dust. Okay, that's why it's good to buy this speaker under this 3000, but the sound it's not loud as I expected. But if you want to try, then you can buy it out, and I will make videos of many different types of speaker. Example, like I have this JBL speaker. This is very perfect as compared to this speaker. But friends, if you want to know which is the most expensive and most cheap price of this speaker and the good quality sound, okay, the good quality of the speaker sounds, then you can check it out another video that I'm going to create it. And friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, this is water resistance and dust resistance or not. If you want to check it out, then you can watch my another video. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.